Wrike is a powerful project management tool designed to help teams collaborate, manage tasks, and track progress efficiently. Here's how to use Wrike for effective project management. Set up your workspace. Log into Wrike and create a workspace tailored to your team's needs. Use folders to organize your projects into categories like marketing, development, or client work. Create projects. Click plus new project to start the project. Name the project and define key details like deadlines and team members. Set project goals, timelines, and dependencies to ensure clarity. Add tasks and subtasks. Break the project into smaller tasks. Add details like due dates, assignees, and priority levels. Use subtasks for more granular tracking and create dependencies to sequence tasks. Collaborate effectively. Use the task comment section for discussions and file sharing. Assign tasks to team members and tag them in comments for instant communication. Track progress. Use built-in views like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and dashboards to monitor project status. Enable real-time updates to stay informed. Generate reports. Utilize Wrike's reporting tools to track productivity, timelines, and team performance.